warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Sarah. So we are from group 3. We present the mechanical handling system for Sunway Pyramid. So next. Next.
Intro. Right?
So Sunway Pyramid is a shopping mall that located at the Subanjaya. Has been built since July 1997, which is developed by Sunway Group. So they have many kind of mechanical handling system in Sunway Pyramid, because Sunway Pyramid is a quite huge shopping mall at Subanjaya. So the mechanical handling system that we focus is elevator and escalator. So for the elevator, we have 3 type of elevator, which is the first is normal traction elevator, cargo elevator, and cone hydraulic glass elevator. So I will present first for the normal traction elevator. Next, Daus. Next page. Okay. So this is the normal traction elevator. So this elevator is a elevator that been used for visitor to travel from the parking area to the shopping level, which is the others elevator is only for the shopping level, but this elevator is starting from the basement level to the others shopping mall level. So the capacity for this elevator is 24%, which is 1,635 kilogram. And from our latest info, this elevator was installed in 2007 and still in service until today. So I will explain about the control system. So the control system of this elevator. So this elevator is using the Otis relay system, or we call it Otis autotronic elevator relay system. So this relay system was being introduced in 1948. So the advantage of this relay is it helps to reduce the waiting time on any given floor by coordinating the movement of the elevator. So this system also help the elevator to travel fast from floor to floor, and the special about this system is we can control the speed of elevator travel. We can adjust according to traffic demand, which is we can set on the peak hours a little bit fast on the peak hours in this mall. At the same time, might be control the traffic lah in among the elevator running. So next, Daus. Next page. So about the interior design of this elevator, is quite simple, because this is not the main elevators that located, for example, at the atrium, at the centers, or at the center court of this shopping mall. So mainly for example, the center elevator is more fancy and more nice in terms of interior design. But for this elevators, the interior design is quite simple, but still have a little bit fancy decorative, as you can see from this slide, a little bit decorative at the door to portray the concept of the Egyptian for the building of Sunway Pyramid. So this elevator is mainly for visitors and staff, visitor with their staff or trolley for them to travel from shopping area to their car park. So the size of the elevator is quite big, but not as big as a cargo lift. So yeah, that's all for the normal traction elevator. So for the next elevators, I will pass to my friends to explain about the other elevators.
Assalamualaikum Dr. Sarah, I'm Firdaus and I will continue the presentation by presenting the cone scenic elevator. So this elevator is located in the red zone facing the ice skating ring. One car there's two shafts for this elevator and one for each, there's separate shaft for each elevator. So one car in each shaft, and the elevator is using the rope hydraulic elevator system. So this elevator only serves the 4 floors, which is LG2, LG1, G, and F. So this elevator is mainly to serve the visitors that is within the mall instead of taking visitors from the car park into the mall. And these elevators have two openings, which is for the doors and also the other side, which is glass, curved glass to view the ice skating ring. The capacity of this elevator is 20% or 1,350 kilograms. So this is the rope hydraulic system. It's based on hydraulic pump and a piston pulley. So it's because this elevator has two openings, which is the door side and also the glass side. It is hard to place a counterweight for it, so the rope hydraulic system is used. So for the interior design of this elevator, there's two panel of doors, and also, which is so upon entering there will be upon entering this elevator there will be, you will see the outside the view of the ice skating rink through the panoramic panel. The finishing of the floor is because it is in the main place of the building, so the finishing of the floor used is marble, gives a grand vibe to it, and the overall finish of the interior of the elevator is reflective steel, I believe. So it reflects a lot of light, so it makes the interior looks quite shiny and gives a premium feeling to it. And there's not much decoration, and it's more toward the material expression. That's all for me. I will pass to my colleagues.
Okay, my name is Nur Adabia. So I will explain about cargo elevators. So cargo elevators is a loading and unloading group verticals and not for passenger. And the maximum capacity is 5 tons. And this cargo lift is located at service area, which is blue zone, and it adopts very strong and durable materials. And this cargo also have a machine to lift goods, and some of this elevator have with attendant, or sometimes people call good or person lift. And this kind of lift requires special safety measure. So for the control system, I will pass to my friends, Shazwan.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, Sarah. My name is Muhammad Shazwan. So I continue present the control system. The control system, the cargo elevator board is a board in a shaft which is moved up and down. The hydraulic system is what move it. So the element involved in hydraulic lift is pit reserve, pump, motor and valve. The motor drives the pump, which push the oil into the system to the valve, and the pressure of the liquid push out the piston, which cause the movement of the lift and the cabin, make it rise smoothly to the lower car. The valve is open and the oil return to reserve speed and lower as the piston lower. So this is the basic system for the hydraulic lift lah. So because they use this hydraulic lift because hydraulic lift can support more loads rather than traction. So next. Okay, for the interior design, so since the cargo lift elevator are hidden from public view, therefore the looks are not very particularly attractive, nor as attractive the main lift. So the function is often reflect in the design of the product. Means that this lift were built only for function. So therefore, to make sure it is more durability and more reliable to move heavy stuff lah. So which is why the cargo lift can be designed with different material such as galvanized, epoxy, paint, steel sheets, even highly durable plastic flooring. And for the exterior of the cargo lift is simple. A lot of time is typically spent carrying out safety check in order to ensure that the finishes product is fit for use. That means they do a lot of maintenance. And this is necessary features that must be carried on all the elevator, but it's particularly important for the cargo lift due to their height weight capacity compared to the passenger lift. That's all. So I pass to my friend for next slide.
Okay, next I'm going to present about the escalator. The escalator brand for Sunway Piramid, they use Otis. The system is using PLC, Program Logic Controller Electronic Device Control System. It is reliable and stable for escalator, and it is actually up-to-date type of escalator these days. The PLC system have the function of automatic detection, that is, there is two. It can check the system before operation, and or if there is a problem, it is forbidden to start. The PLC system in the process of operation, PLC system can also automatically check and monitor its own operation. If it detects a problem, it will automatically cut off the power and avoid burning other parts of the circuits. PLC system also have the function of circuit emitting protection. It's to avoid excessive current and protect the component. Okay, next. Next is the last one. The control system is mostly composed of some of other circuit on the basis of the original power frequency control. It includes photoelectric signal detection, safety signal detection, state operation detection, circuit frequency converter, and fault indicator lamp. Those can be seen in the diagram on the right. There are many kind of control system that is able to protect passengers that using the elevator these days, and Sunway have occasionally updated their elevator, and that's all. Sorry. Okay, that's all from me, and I think that's it. That's all from our group.
A little bit conclusion from me.
Oh, okay, next.
So okay, for the conclusion, about this mechanical handling system at Sunway Piramid. So the good view about the Sunway Piramid is they always maintain their systems of elevators and others mechanical handling system. Because as we can see from the page of at YouTube, that we can see that the company of the elevators always update from time to time about the condition of the elevators, since that Sunway Piramid is quite old building and shopping mall, so they need to make sure the quality of the handling mechanical system in Sunway Piramid is always up to date, in order to achieve the standard of safety and to maintain the aesthetical value of Sunway Pyramid itself. So that's all from us. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.